Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at scientific notation. Now this is just a system designed to help scientists deal with very big numbers and very small numbers. It basically eliminates errors when you're copying a big number with like 15 zeros from one page onto another page. If you have it in scientific notation, it's a lot easier to make sure you get the right number all of the time. So let's have a look at how it works. Let's start off with a very big number. Let's start off with 6500000. Okay? What you do is you count the number of digits after the initial digit. So the first digit here is the number 6. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So the way we have to begin this is our number at the beginning needs to be between 1 and 9. In this case, we're going to have 6.5. And then we give it an exponent. And all we do for the exponent is we count these digits. And as I mentioned before, we've got 6 of them. So this becomes 6.5 times 10 to the power of 6. Now, it's much easier to write this than it is to write something like that. You've got less kind of like figures involved, right? And it's especially important when you've got huge numbers. For example, 6.2 times 10 to the power of 23. It's much easier to write it like that instead of writing 23 zeros at the end of your figure. It would make no sense to do that, okay? On the other side of things, we've got very small numbers. So let's start off with a small number, 0.0000025. Okay, now remember the rule, you start off with a number between 1 and 9, and in this case it's going to be 2.5. Okay, then we give it an exponent, and we figure out how many decimal places backwards it would go. So 2.5, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be 2.5 times 10 to the minus 6. Okay? That's scientific notation for you. It's very simple. It just requires a little bit of practice. The main thing is, if you've got a negative number here, you're dealing with very small numbers. And here, as you can see, we're dealing with 6 numbers before that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Here, we're dealing with 6 numbers after the decimal point. So here, 6 numbers before the decimal point. Here, 6 numbers after the decimal point. Okay? I hope that's clear. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.